Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. In this video I'm going to show you how to remap the home button here on the side. This button here. Okay, so by default, when you double press on this home button, it will launch the BIXBY application. Let's try that again. As you can see there. But if you're like me and you don't use BIXBY, you can disable this totally, or you can set it to launch any application that you have installed on your watch. Okay, so it's real simple to do. There's two ways of doing this. I'll show you the first way on how to remap it. So just go into the settings and you're going to look for advanced. Select it, and then you will see double press home key BIXBY, select it. And if you scroll to the top there, you can totally disable it by selecting none. Or you can set this button to create a reminder, large watch, last app. So if you set last app, when you double press it, it will launch the last application that you used. Or you can select it to launch recent apps, start latest workout list, Air Mouse. That's one of my applications that I have installed. So any application that you have installed, like games or anything like that, they will all appear in this list. So you can set the alarm button to launch, the calendar. So let's try the calendar. So double press. And as you can see there, it's launched the calendar. You can launch the touch bezel option, wake up gesture, touch wake up, water lock mode, touch sensitivity options, theater mode, good night mode, daily briefing, screen capture. So you can set the button to launch any one of these options: contacts, find phone, Galaxy Store, gallery, music, phone, reminder, Samsung Health, settings, Spotify, weather. Let's try the weather. So double press on that. And as you can see, it's launched the weather there. World clock. Double press on that. And as you can see, it's launched the world clock. You can set it to launch Spotify, your gallery, contacts. Let's try contacts. Double press. And as you can see there, it's taking me straight into my contacts. So that's how you remap it on the watch itself. You can also remap it through your phone. So just go to the Galaxy wearable app on your phone and go down to advanced. Double press home key and you will see the list here that you can choose to remap the button to. So you can remap it to any one of these. Once again, Samsung Health, settings, Spotify, weather, world clock. All these options are available for you to remap the home button to. So yeah, I hope this helped you out. You already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if it helped you out. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.